Hi everyone, this is the part 2 of my Taiwan trip for COMPUTEX 2024 coverage. You can check out the link of the part 1 vlog on the description. 2 hours lang yung naging biyahe namin and super smooth na pagdating sa Taiwan airport. Emote yarn. Let's go to COMPUTEX Day 1 at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong meron sa MSI booth. Ito nga pala yung mga AI-generated artwork design GPU at napirmahan mismo ng NVIDIA CEO. At ito naman ang iba pang graphics card na nakadisplay dito. Sa storage section naman nila, nandito yung DataMag Portable SSD, DataVault SSD, and Spatium M560. Dito sa Peripherals or Gear section naman nila, nakadisplay lahat ng mouse, headset, keyboard. At ang latest naman sa keyboard nila ay itong Strike Pro Wireless na may mechanical switches, hot swappable, may media controls, may removable wrist rest, at tri-mode yung connection nito, pwedeng 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, or wired. Ito naman yung latest sa mouse nila, Versa Pro Wireless na may 13 customizable buttons, including a sniper button, may PAW3395 optical sensor and switches, 8000 Hz polling rate, mapa-wired man or wireless. At ito naman yung latest sa controller ni MSI, yung Force Pro Wireless. Meron tong 3 levels Hall effect magnetic triggers, interchangeable yung thumbsticks at may auto calibration, customizable yung rear buttons, and swappable yung D-pads. Cross-platform compatible, pwedeng wireless sa PC and mobile at wired naman sa Xbox consoles. Alam nyo bang nahahati sa 3 segments ang gaming products ni MSI pagdating sa desktop, monitor, motherboard at PC components? Ito yung MEG, MPG, at MAG series. MEG stands for MSI Enthusiast Gaming. Ito yung pang flagship nila, kumbaga top-notch product nila. Ito yung may pinaka-best aesthetics at pinaka-best sa performance. MPG stands for MSI Performance Gaming. Ito yung pang premium nila, ito yung performance lineup nila para sa gaming. Trendy din yung styles nito, mid-range sa lineup nila. MAG stands for Arsenal Gaming. Ito yung pang mainstream nila. Built ito more on functionality, durability, and stability. Dito sa Easy DIY area, nakadisplay yung DIY-friendly products ni MSI gaya ng screwless M.2 Shield Frozer para sa effortless installation ng M.2 heatsink, Easy PCIe release para mas madaling i-remove yung graphics card, Easy M.2 Clip 2 para sa seamless installation and removal ng SSD, Easy Antenna, Easy Plug-in, and removal na lang. Showcase rin dito yung collaboration ni MSI with Kingston, yung Z790 Project Zero Plus na nakaset up for the latest memory solution na Cam2. Maliban sa gaming, meron din silang showcase para sa business and productivity series nila. Focused yung mga features usable para sa office or business to improve productivity. That's it for the MSI booth coverage. Thank you MSI for the support and thank you sa mga nanood na umabot hanggang dulo ng video na to. Abangan, meron pa tayong part 3 ng aking Taiwan vlog. See ya!